Choosing fabric is an important step in starting any sewing project. The back of your sewing pattern will give you suggestions for fabric, but it can still be overwhelming to make a decision. Let's break down the different types of fabric. Fabrics are divided into 3 main categories based on their construction. We have wovens, knits, and non-wovens. Woven fabrics are made by weaving together individual threads to form the fabric. They usually do not stretch, although some woven fabrics, such as stretch denim, do contain fibers that allow them to stretch a little bit. Examples of woven fabric are cotton fabric, traditionally used for quilting, denim, flannel, silky prints, gauze, and traditional linen fabrics. Woven fabric will fray when it's cut, so you'll need to finish any raw edges for a longer lasting garment. Knit fabrics stretch, although the direction and the amount of stretch varies. Examples of knits include printed and solid jersey knits, performance and dance spandex fabric, and even fleece. Knit fabrics do not fray when they're cut, which can make sewing with knits a faster experience. Non-woven fabric refers to fabrics that are neither woven or knitted in their construction. Examples include interfacing and stabilizers, and felt. Next, you can consider the fiber content of the fabric. All fabrics can be divided into natural fibers or synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are made from plant or animal sources and include cotton, linen, bamboo, wool, and silk. Rayon fabrics, including viscose and lyocell, are a manufactured fiber that are made from natural materials. Synthetic fibers are man-made and include acrylic, nylon, polyester, and spandex. Some fabrics are a blend of 2 or more fibers that harness the positive qualities of each. All of these swatches here are made from cotton, but they all look and feel different and would work best for different projects. So you cannot choose fabric based on the fiber content alone. Finally, you'll want to consider the weight and drape of your fabric. Weight is the thickness and density of the fabric. You would want a heavier weight cotton for a pair of pants than the cotton you would choose to make a summer top out of. The way the fabric drapes or moves can have a big influence on the way your garment looks. This linen here is more stiff and crisp than this rayon crepe, which has a more fluid drape. If you made the same skirt or dress out of these 2 fabrics, the linen garment would appear more structured than the rayon because of their different drape. Finally, the best way to choose your fabric is to trust your gut and pick a fabric that looks and feels good to you, and to have fun with sewing.